Se waka na wakoma mu pen. Se wobaye nsentwereni ana wobaye adwuma kese bi daakye a. Breni. Opese wo ye akan ana English newscaster, TV presenter, sports journalist, film actor ana actress, ICT expert ana software developer. This is Oxford ICM UK degree and diploma programs nyina te say journalism and media studies, public relations and advertising, retail banking and public relations and marketing nyina wo ye. Aviation usua ubetima kwaye adwuma wa dupremu ana airport and hospitality management. Aduba kwaye adwuma hotel nyina. Oxford ye ne papa. Acha fiba any finisham ye ne wawi. Omo well equipped TV and FM studio. For the practical or your free computer training. Library ya obaya research wasan will be uye Oxford no your national service. Na so person ya attachment de so a wo boa wo fam so no bi atwa. Regional post office bi a wo Ghana menya bi atwa. Suku ya nkasa e Kumasi kwada so hwima se. Only Peters Educational Complex na de enemy. Precision 0504 234005
and 0244 724087.
Oxford Institute of Acting and Journalism. On ye nyina ye ko.
And he prayed, he travailed to the God of heaven.